Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make smooth lines for 3 video frames in CapCut. So first, just start by starting a new project and select 3 clips. Okay, after that, click on collage after you choose 3 clips to edit, and then choose this format in the 9:16 ratio. Click on continue. Now you see the line looks like this, but I'm going to add a smooth blurry line. So in here, what you need to do next is just click on the clip. So I'm going to just select this clips first and then go to mask. To create a smooth blurry lines, you can just go to split and then choose here and then drag the arrow like this to have a smooth line. Okay, I'm going to change the canvas first into white. Okay, like that. You can just adjust the line as you like, how much you want the fade effect or blurry to appear. Then now this one, and then go to mask again, split, then do the same things like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.